Hey guys, my name's Donovan. I'm gonna do a bike check for you guys today. First off, I have the red ODI long neck grips on the Inman bars with the blue DLT fit stem, animal headset, uh, the new Cult Deathrow V2 frame with the Fit Shiv forks and Redwall tires front and back, 2.25s. And the Fit Signature wheel set, and then I have the Odyssey Nightwolf seat with and then I have the Eastern pedals with the 1664 ball and half link chain. That's on the Fit DLD sprocket. Well, that's my bike check. Hope you guys liked it.